everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to explore the different types of window blinds that are perfect for Dubai's unique climate and stylish interiors. Whether you're looking for functionality, aesthetics, or both, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Why do window blinds matter in Dubai? In Dubai, we experience intense sunlight and heat almost year-round. This makes window blinds more than just a design choice, they're essential for keeping your home cool and comfortable. But with so many options out there, how do you know which blinds are right for you? 1. Roller blinds. First up, we have roller blinds. These are a sleek, minimalist choice that offers excellent light control. You can find blackout roller blinds, which are perfect for blocking out Dubai's strong sunlight, especially during those scorching summer months. They're also great for adding a modern touch to your interiors without overpowering the room's decor. 2. Venetian blinds. Next, we have Venetian blinds, one of the most versatile options available. These blinds feature horizontal slats, usually made of wood, aluminum, or PVC. The slats can be tilted to control the amount of sunlight entering the room, making them ideal for managing Dubai's bright daylight. They're perfect if you're looking for a combination of functionality and style. 3. Vertical blinds. For larger windows or sliding doors, vertical blinds are a popular choice. They are especially practical in Dubai's modern apartments and villas where large, glass windows are common. These blinds offer excellent coverage and are easy to adjust, providing the right balance of light and privacy. 4. Roman blinds. Looking for something more elegant? Roman blinds are a timeless option that adds sophistication to any room. Made from fabric, they fold neatly into pleats when raised, giving a soft, layered look to your windows. Roman blinds work well in bedrooms or living spaces where you want to add a touch of luxury while maintaining practicality. 5. Motorized blinds. Finally, we have motorized blinds, perfect for those who love convenience. These are ideal for high or hard-to-reach windows, allowing you to control the blinds with just the push of a button. In Dubai's tech-savvy homes, motorized blinds are becoming increasingly popular for their convenience and smart integration. Where to shop for blinds in Dubai? Now that you know the different types of window blinds, where can you find the best options in Dubai? Floor Land LLC has a wide range of window blinds, from roller to motorized, designed to suit any style and budget. Visit our showroom or explore our online collection to discover high-quality blinds that perfectly match your space. We also offer installation services, making it easy for you to enjoy your new blinds without any hassle. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home improvement tips. For all your window blinds and flooring needs, visit floorland.ae.